Why do students keep giving the same answers? What if one simple thinking routine could instantly make classroom discussion deeper and more meaningful? Let's explore the circle of viewpoints with Study With Me Academy. Have you ever experienced this as a teacher? The class goes silent and you keep thinking, are my students present? Are they thinking? Or are they? Every teacher has experienced this. Teacher asks a question, and yes, you could find student 1 gives an answer, student 2 repeats the same answer, and student 3 agrees. Discussion ends. What if students could think like a student, a teacher, a parent, a principal, and these days, even a technology expert? That could be great. And that's why we have got Circle of Viewpoints. This is a thinking routine from Project Zero. What does this do? Multiple perspectives and deeper understanding. You could also say is a 360-degree view from the student's point of view. So when you ask your students, how does this thinking routine actually work? Identify the viewpoint and describe their perspective. What might this person think? What question might they ask? So now your students are just not answering, but they are thinking from a specific perspective. Shall we have a case study? How does it work? So, when we tell artificial intelligence in education, a student thinks, oh, AI could make me faster. Is it cheating or it is just a tool that helps me? As a parent, they they might think, I'm scared technology would replace the effort of my child. A principal might think, how can AI be implemented in school and how could it improve the school environment? So, all of these questions are being taught from different perspective of a student. So, what could be the impact of circle of viewpoints and why do educators love it? This routine it builds up empathy, discussion, and the thinking in the classroom is being evident. It helps inquiry-based thinking among our student. So, what happens when you use visible thinking routine circle of viewpoints? Students just don't explore or learn new ideas, they think from different viewpoints. So let's apply this in and think. Implementing a no smartphone in the college. So apply the circle of viewpoints in this form and tell how does this particular concept affect the student, the lecturer or the professor, the employer, the mental health counselor. Give your students ample time to think and explore the topic. If you want to continue your thinking journey, don't forget to come back again, and I'm going to share the details of these thinking routines in the description box. All you need to do is just type visible thinking routine Circle of viewpoints in the comment, and I'll share you the details of how to implement this in your classrooms. The next routine is PEEL. I used to think, now I think, claim, support, question, and compass points. Let's learn together and develop together. Study with Me Academy. Thank you.